Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. In today's video, I just wanted to say my best friend helped me get this house by paying me money because I bought this cash register to get money. And also a few other people gave me money. So I just wanted to say I did not get this house by myself. She helped me a lot. And she gave me $300, about $300 or more. And yeah, she also helped me get enough money to get a car, as well as some other people. So thank you to my best friend. And let's get right to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be playing Adopt Me and doing a role play. Well, not a role play, but I'm going to be doing a house tour. So let's get right to it. So basically, this is what it looks like on the outside of my house. And then it looks small, but if you go inside of the house, when you first walk in, there's a table and a cash register and some flowers. But then when you first come in and you take a turn, then there is a bowl full with food and water. And then over here, there is like a little couch and another little couch and a table. And then if you come over here, there's a piano with 2 heart chairs and a table and cute windows. Then if you come in this room, this is a pizza place house, so I got all this for free and I didn't do any changes to this room. So this is napkins, some napkins. And then there's counters with a stove, stuff to make pizza, pans, knives, and a garbage can. So that's all for the first floor. And then this is a pretend fan because the real fans are very annoying. Sorry if the lighting changed. Sorry about the lighting changing. Okay, so upstairs there, downstairs has white and pink wallpaper and stripes, and then upstairs it has unicorns. And there's, thanks for the cash. And then when you come upstairs, there's more windows. There's another table with a lamp, a cup, and a place to put a bowl of soup or some kind of food. Then if you come over here, this is like my room area. And I have like a carpet here with a TV on it, with a bed. And then over here has a place for my pets to sleep. And then over here I have a vanity and a light. Turn off, turn on. So that's like a filming light because I'm a YouTuber, so I have to have filming lights because I'm a YouTuber in real life, so I can pretend to be a YouTuber in the game. And then if you come over here, I have a toilet and a shower because this is the bathroom. It's very plain. So the kitchen and the bathroom are the plainest rooms in the house. So let's close that door. So that's all for my house tour for now. I don't have a lot of stuff, but now let's show you my car. Okay, everybody, so this is my car. I'm not the bestest driver at driving the cars, but it's easier to drive a car than a bike in Adopt Me for me. Oh God, oh my God, turn. Okay, guys, so it's kind of hard to drive it. Let's just go home. We're just gonna go home. Alright, put our car away. Also, I have another thing to say. So, basically, I gave up some of my pets for my friend, like my Shiba Inu, because she actually gave me a Shiba Inu, and then she wanted it back, so I gave it back to her. And in return, she gave me a another one of what are they called? Another one of the pumas. Another one of the pumas. So now I have two pumas because she thinks that I can make a glowing puma. And I actually have 4 chocolate labs, and I'm trying to level them up so I can have a glowing one. And then we also have a gray cat, which is named Blue, because I used to have a cat named Blue. And then we have a... Wait, what is this animal called? The cute... I can't say the name of this one. This one called Chocolate Labrador. Okay, Chocolate Lab. That's a Chocolate Lab. This is a post-teen pink cat. It's a pink cat, though. So, cute and nice is this one. This one is named that. And then this one is named this. And this one's named this. Okay, so that's all my pets. I was just checking the names for a second there. But that's all my pets because I gave some away and I got some in return. But do you guys think that I'm gonna take care of this pet in this video. That way they can level up. But do you guys think that I should get an egg in this video? Because I almost have enough to buy a safari egg. And I have enough to buy a hatched egg and... Okay, guys, I'm going to buy a $600 egg. Because I never bought one before. And I might get a really cute pet, like another pink cat or something like that. There are so many people in this area. Okay, pets. We're gonna go get a pet. This girl has a unicorn. It's a junior. I was wondering if it was a new pet. She probably uses it all the time. No, there's a water right there if you were getting it some water. Okay, so this is the egg I was talking about. Buy pet egg for $600. Alright, now we have an egg to unhatch in this video. So let's start waiting for it to need something. Since it's daytime, it should need school soon. Or something like that. There's so many people with unicorns. And I just saw someone with a dragon. Look, a dragon. And we saw a person with a unicorn earlier. Oh my god. It's a girl with a safari egg. Okay, the egg wants to go camping. Alright, let's go camping. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're here. Okay, I'm gonna double task because I don't do this a lot, but I do it sometimes. So I'm gonna double task. Someone gave me a trade. Let's see what this girl's gonna give me. Nope. Come on, Eggy. We only did 2 things, and the bar is quite full already. Alright, and now it's thirsty. Do I have any drinks on me? Nope. Looks like we're going somewhere to eat. Okay, guys, so, I am... Come on, Eggy. Come on, Egg, I need to take care of you. Oh my god, this egg is impossible to take care of. Okay, feed, you're thirsty, and then we'll give you a shower right after. Come on, Egg. Het Egg is not thirsty anymore. Plus $6. Thank you. Now let's go to my house and give it a shower. We're gonna go give you a shower, little egg. Alright, we're home. Oh my god, I forgot the bathroom isn't over there. I'm taking care of you, Eggy. It's almost hatched. Food, food, food. We need to give you some food, food, food. I love you, little Eggy. You're so nice and special and cute and pretty. I don't know why I'm talking to an egg like that. Oh my dog. Guys, I'm so happy right now because, oh my dog, I'm so happy right now. Want to know why I'm so happy? Because when I give away my Shiba Inu to my best friend because she gave me the Shiba Inu, I was sad because I really liked my Shiba Inu and I just got my own Shiba Inu from my own egg. I'm so happy right now. I am so happy. I'm gonna name you Good Luck. Okay, guys, so I decided to name it Lily because whenever I name something Lily or something, or if my name is Lily, I have super good luck, and I just want to have good luck. But I'm so happy to have a Shiba Inu now. I am so happy to have my Shiba Inu back, or a Shiba Inu. Look at all my pets now. I have quite a bit now. Thanks, so I think that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!